Coming out to the key truck today. Oh yeah, I got a present from Keyline. Look at this, I just got it in the mail, UPS. Told them I had a cracked handle, and free of charge for my beautiful Ninja. I forget what his name is though. It was William, but it might not have been. Look at this, I want to show you the difference here. Here's the old one, all cracked. Doesn't look good in videos. Look at that. Isn't that a lot better looking, guys? Come on. Look at the difference. Way difference. Thank you, Keyline. Thank you. It was right up here on my adjustable chuck, which I lubricated beautifully. Oh, look at cool. Now they match. Oh, what a difference. Doesn't that look better, guys? Thank you, Keyline. You are the best. My beautiful Ninja is now gonna be looking smart instead of this old cracked up adjustable handle here for my keys. What a difference. Now they match. I really love this Ninja from Keyline. Great key machine, code machine, 10-year-old wonderful masterpiece. Thank you, Keyline. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thanks again.